How to open Union Bank of India account online. To open a Union Bank of India account online, all you have to do is make sure to launch the Union Bank's application, which is Union Ease. And when you've done that, right on the bottom page you can see new customers, so you can see what kind of account you want to create, a current account or a savings account. Whichever is comfortable for you, tap the apply now button from here, which will redirect you to their web version. So once you're redirected to the web version or this particular app, you can just fill out the form according to your legal details. There will be some prerequisites, requirements and eligibility as well, so make sure to go through all of those carefully. Fill in the details according to your legal details, and once you've filled out the form, your bank will be able to verify the request and be able to register your account for you. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then open Union Bank of India account online. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.